How long do Temu orders take to arrive? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of tracking your Temu orders and figuring out exactly when your package will arrive at your doorstep. If you've recently placed an order on Temu and are eagerly waiting for it to show up, you might be curious about the actual delivery timeline. To find this information, we're just going to head over to our Temu app. And then from here, you're going to click on the Use section in the app right here at the bottom of the screen. Now, once you're on the U page, you're going to head over to your orders tab right here. And then from there, the arrival time usually depends on two main things: domestic versus international. If your item is being shipped from a local warehouse within your country, it generally takes about a week or two. Now, if it's global shipping, or if it's coming from overseas, the timeline can vary. While many arrive within a month, it can also sometimes take longer depending on customs and logistics. Inside your order details, you will see different status updates like processing, shipped, and transit, and finally out for delivery. Tracking these regularly is the best way to stay updated on your package's journey. And that's how you can estimate your delivery date. If you have any questions about a specific order, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.